Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Spotify Premium. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's do it. If you updated your Spotify, now you're paying for Premium, but you want to go back to just your normal plan or have no plan at all, it's actually quite simple to do. However, you can't do it through the app. You have to do it online. If you want to do it through your mobile, I'll show you how to do it. I'm going to get out of Spotify, the app, and I'm gonna go to my Safari, and I typed in safari.com. Now when you are here, it's going to ask you to log in, and once you do, it's going to try to redirect you back to the app. So to stop that, all you have to do is this little A and big A. You just have to click on that and then request a desktop version. It will change the Spotify layout so that you are on the desktop version, and it won't allow you to redirect to the app, which is what you want to avoid. So once you do it, it will look exactly the same. So I just did that. So now I am on the quad desktop version, and it doesn't redirect me to the app. The next thing you want to do is hit these three lines at the top right, and once you are on the app, you are going to scroll down until you see your plan. Here is where it has your plan. It says that I am on the premium plan right now, and if I wanted to change that, to cancel that, all I have to do is hit change plan, go down, and then hit cancel premium. Once you click on that and you go all the way down to the bottom and you hit continue to cancel, and then it gives you other option with discounts, trying to keep you there, and then you confirm your cancellation by hitting yes cancel. Once you do, you can still log in and listen to the ad music, just like normal, but you won't have that free music anymore. If you guys have any question, just let me know in the comment sections. Thank you for watching.